Greetings everyone, my name is Seng. Today I will teach you about the tax.
Okay, let's go to the setting and then go to the tax. So normally we can put a service charge. So we put the tax name service charge and I put 10%. And then from here, tax for all means that you can set only for the eat-in or for the take-away, for the delivery or for the payment surcharge. And here you can click on the setting, is it with tax or the tax before the discounts. Okay, so tax got three different types, which is tax inclusive. Tax is already included in the product price. So normally it's used for the item that include tax and got two types, which is the bottom one, additional and reverse. Then the second type is tax exclusive, which means that the tax is not included in the product price. Normally is used for the service charge. For example, the product price is 10 ringgit and 10 ringgit for the 10% is 1 ringgit, so total is 10 ringgit plus 1 ringgit, so total the customer need to pay is 11 ringgit. So for the third is a surcharge. It's a bit same with a tax exclusive, but the difference is normally used for the credit card payment. So get back to here, let's say you got a credit card surcharge is like 10%, so you put it here and make sure you turn on, and then you click here, make sure you click one, tax payment surcharge, and then you click save. So for the next is go to the payment type that included surcharge, let's say the Visa. So you go to the setting here, turn on the surcharge, set, and then click save. That's all. The second part is the price of the product item that included tax. If you select to the additional, so no tax means that is excluded, so will be the 10 ringgit plus the 1 ringgit. So for the additional means that the tax is already included in the product price. Let's say for example, the product price is 10 ringgit, so the tax 10% is included into the 10 ringgit. So for the reverse is slightly different. For more information, you can refer to my website. Okay, let's say you order the pizza for 10 ringgit, so add the tax is 10%, which is 1 ringgit, so its total is 11 ringgit. If you want to disable or you want to modify on the tax on this certain bill only, click the tax button here. You can turn off or turn on both and apply. You'll be like this, or you can turn off, apply. You become the original price, which is 10 ringgit without tax. If you want to check the tax in the report, go to the home, report, daily, general report. So from here you can see that service charge 10% sales and SSTs, all the tax that you have been set, it will show it in the report. Other than that, you can check on the GST audit file. From here you can check everything that you need, and you always can email the report in Excel or the tax. That's all for today. Thank you.